on your win. So could you tell us more about how you're feeling?
Okay. I feel good. I feel awesome. I feel great. It is such a huge privilege. I mean, like being nominated on its own, it's a win. It's a privilege, and winning the award is something else. I feel so excited.
And then I heard you saying that this is your third award, like in a consecutive row. So how does that say about the Tsonga poetry?
Well, so this is my second baby from the SATMA Awards. I won last year and I'm winning again this year. This means that I always say heritage culture must not be celebrated by older people, and it's time we change that notion. I'm so young and I'm doing what I can, and I'd like to encourage someone, young people, the youth, to use what they can to play their part, their craft in celebrating culture.
All right, thank you. I can see that you are very excited. So could you please maybe recite one of your poems, if you do not mind?
Shana iwansati muni lo Ntombhi Ya Mutsonga ngwashombola makutla madefula related ndikangwana ekweta akuyo ngwananga ngeto masingita la tsubula kani misisi hibutsila utsongo chava kutsongola swa van'wana vanhu mburi ya kuva mabombisa ndavuko vatsonga
Na khenza kakhulu.
ukhensa mina
Hambe kahle.